Dear students, welcome back to my class on the third module of your test, Transactions, Essential English Language Skills. Take page number 69 of your test book. You can see the pre-learning task. You answer those questions. I will discuss the answers later. Today we shall discuss past continuous tense. As you all know, we use past continuous to say what was happening or what was not happening around a past time. Example, what were you doing at 8 o'clock? What were you doing at 8 o'clock? Were you watching TV? No, I wasn't watching TV. I was reading. I was walking down the street when it began to rain. The past continuous is chiefly used for past actions which continued for some time but whose exact limits are not known. And it can be used without a time expression. It was getting darker. The wind was rising. Some examples are there, and it can indicate gradual development when used without a time expression. The past continuous tense can be used with a point in time. It expresses an action which began before that time and probably continued after it. At 8 he was having breakfast implies that he was in the middle of breakfast at 8. That he had started it before 8. He had breakfast at 8. A sentence in simple past tense would imply that he started it at 8. But a sentence in the past continuous tense, at 8 he was having breakfast implies that he was in the middle of breakfast at 8. That is, he had started it before 8. Here in this sentence, when I arrived, Tom was talking you on a phone. Here we convey the idea that the action in the past continuous, that is Tom was talking on a phone, started before my arrival. When I arrived, Tom was talking on the phone. Tom started talking on the phone before my arrival and probably continued after it. Tom continued talking on the phone after my arrival also. So here is an action in progress. Past continuous tense implies an action in progress. We use past continuous to set the scene to give an idea of the background situation. When I was walking down the street, it began to rain. I was walking down the street and suddenly it began to rain. I was walking before the rain and probably after the rain. Past progressive or past continuous tense is used to indicate that an action was in progress for some time in the past. We use past continuous to say that somebody was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. So an action in progress in the past. The action or situation had already started before this time but had not finished. This time last year I was living in London. The children were singing and laughing. At 8, he was having his breakfast. He was in the middle of the breakfast at 8. He started eating before 8 and probably he continued eating after 8. We often use the past simple and past continuous together to say that something happened in the middle of something else. Tom burnt his hands when he was cooking the dinner. Tom was cooking the dinner. Suddenly, he burnt his hands. When I arrived, Tom was walking on the phone. Tom was talking on the phone before my arrival, and probably Tom continued talking after my arrival. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. I was walking along the road when I saw Dave, so I stopped and we had a chat. Here a few sentences in past continuous tense and simple past. We can compare the past continuous and simple past simple. I was doing and I did. The differences between these expressions. I was walking home when I met Dave. Means I in the middle of walking home. I met Dave. I walked home after the party last night. Means all the way completely I walked home. The action is complete, a complete action. An action is complete. Past continuous tense shows the action in progress in the middle of the action. Anne was watching television when the phone rang. Anne watched television a lot when she was ill last year. So the action is complete. Past continuous tense shows an action in progress. And past simple shows a complete action. Now take your textbook, page number 69, the pre-learning task. Choose the correct answer from the brackets. I dash in Delhi for 8 years. Lived or was living. I lived in Delhi for 8 years. A complete action. John was watching TV when the phone rang. So an action in progress. John was watching TV when the phone rang. When my mother got home, she made tea for me. She made tea for me when my mother got home. What were you doing when I called you? When I called you, what were you doing? Now take the exercise 1. Write questions, page number 68. At 10, I was reading a newspaper. Were you reading a newspaper? So we have to form the question. When I saw Peter, he was eating. What was he eating? First question. When I went to his office, he was writing. What was he writing? At lunchtime, we were shopping. Were you at lunchtime? Where were you at lunchtime? Where were you at lunchtime? At 8, my mother was cooking. What was your mother doing at 8? When I arrived, all the children were crying. Why were the children crying? When I arrived, at midnight the children were sleeping. Where were the children sleeping? Where were the children sleeping? Now your textbook, page number 68. Form of the past continuous tense, positive statements, negative statements, WH questions are given. It was working. Positive statement. Negative statement is it was not working or it wasn't working. WH question is where was he working? Positive statement. They were working. Negative statement is they weren't working or they were not working. WH question is why were they working? Now page number 69. Was she working? Yes or no question. Yes, she was. Negative short answer. No, she wasn't. Next, were you working? Yes or no question. Positive short answer. Yes, we were. Negative short answer. No, she weren't. Now the next exercise. Exercise 2. Choosing the best tense form. Read what each speaker is thinking about. Tick the best sentence for the speaker to use. I want to know your action after your father died. You tick the correct answer. What did you do when your father died? What were you doing when your father died? The answer is what did you do when your father died? I want to describe the situation at the party when I arrived. Answer is everyone was dancing when I arrived. When I arrived, everyone was dancing. They started dancing before my arrival. They continued dancing after my arrival. So an action in progress. Past continuous tense is used to show that. I am thinking of the whole car journey. The car journey was complete. The driver drove too fast. The driver drove too fast. I want to show that I finished my dream. I dreamt about a wonderful holiday. I completed my dream. Finished my dream. A complete action. The driver drove too fast. I dreamt about a wonderful holiday. Simple past tense is used. I want to show that I was interrupted. I was talking about her when she came into the room. When she came into the room, I was talking about her. I started talking about her before her arrival and probably continued after her arrival. So here I'm going to wind up this lesson and I hope you have followed my class. Thank you.